Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change search engine on OPPO Reno 10 Pro into a custom one. So to set a custom search engine on this device, you have to start with opening your internet browser, and I'm gonna use yep.com engine for this example. So you have to go to the yep.com site. And now you have to use the search engine to search something. And now you can go into the settings and click search engine option. And now in recently visited should be yep.com, and you can select it, and now you can go back. And as you can see, my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.